Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Meeet. Guys, it's a Web3 Farm Game with inbuilt GameFi and social-fi elements. And in the game, players with NFT farmers can complete tasks by planting, harvesting, feeding animals, processing products in factories, and selling products to earn currency. Guys, we can see now we're on the website of the Meeet. It's really colorful and looks bright. I really like the website. Guys, first of all, you need to choose an NFT. Once you have an NFT farmer, you will be able to start the Meeet game, guys. You can choose to buy or sell their NFT farmers on the in-app marketplace. Users' MSD earnings are stored in the in-app wallet, which has a built-in swap function. This is the token, guys. Token of the project, and with the NFT you can meet new farmer, level up in app trading, NFT achievement, NFT equipment, socket, and we can see some different characters here, some different NFTs. Guys, basic production model, we can see in the game we will feed animals, there will be factories and produce. Players can harvest, and then lands and crops. We will start the game with 6 free plots of land. We can plant wheat, carrots, sugarcane, corn, etc. I will show you the details of it at the end of the video. The gameplay is really fun, so please do not skip any part of it. Also, you can find more details here on the website. They explain the details very well. This is the basic task system. There is an air balloon system, guys. It's usually requires 3 to 5 types of products. An order system you need, such as milk and bread, to complete a task. There's a business system, businessman system. They all have requirements, and when you completed them, you can earn some tokens and materials. The rewards are really nice. The construction system is here. You can upgrade the house. There are building factories you can build, and other systems is the golden road and the warehouse. We can see the social relationship, guys. Once you have an NFT farmer, you will have a social identity. We can have a relationship in the game. We can also have a family and friends. This is really cool. There are some social activities. You can send gifts to other players. You can steal vegetables. You can help each other, guys. It is so nice. It feels so real, and the game is so fun. I definitely recommend you to come and check this out, because I'm sure it will grow so fastly. So it has really big potential, and you can find all the links in the description part below the video. Don't forget that there is also an invitation incentive system. Guys, once you invite a friend, join the game, you will earn more tokens. And there is the roadmap. They say different players get different from Meeet. Some players get money, some players get game fun, some players get friendship, and another people get honor and social position. So you can come here with different purposes and have fun and spend some time with your friends. Also make passive income. On the 2022 quarter 3, we can see closed beta test, public beta, and it goes on quarter 4, like MMT, staking, enhanced NFT social value, battle pass, in-app trading card game, in-app voice club, they all will be coming. And on 2023 quarter 1, guys, they will add gambling and burning scenes, so lots of things will be coming. And to stay tuned, you can connect them on social media, visit their social media, interact with other players. I already told you, you can find all in the description part. And there is a little page which shows you the steps how to play the game. You can come here, follow the steps, download Meeet app, find an NFT farmer from the in-app market. And NFT detail page, guys, is here. We can see equipment, higher quality. I will show this in the gameplay. You can click start to earn rewards, but you need a special code to play the game. So you should join their Discord and find more details about it. And then you can burn MST. When we check the white paper, guys, there is an overview and definition. Game tokens are MST, Meeet social game token, guys, and governance token, Meeet metaverse token. There are two different tokens in the game. Getting started, guys, you need to download the app, sign up for Meeet, create a new wallet, and after that, you can transfer BNB into your in-game wallet. It goes like that. We can find some GameFi elements here, basic production elements, farm attributes, and equipment and sockets. The farmer maintain, these are all here. Definitely come and check this out. We can find earning cap mechanics here. Meeet has a board, a daily strength cap and daily token cap, guys. And earning mechanics are here for you to see more details, strength system. Now let's go and see the gameplay, and I'm sure after the gameplay you will come and check for more details. Okay, let's go. Now, okay guys, we're on the game now. This is the first time I logged in, so there is a common mystery box. I just open that, confirm. The game itself is really fun and it's easy to understand. This is my profile. You can see my NFT, my level, the common one, and it will refill my energy. The farmers, equipments, others, mystery boxes, all the sections are here, guys. And at the top of the dashboard, we can see the tokens and the amounts. The ranking system is also here. There are some orders in the game you need to complete. You can see the archer's order. I'm sending it now, and these are the rewards. This is barn, guys. You can upgrade it and see what you got. And there is also bakery. You can make some bread in there. Also a fast food shop. This one is really cute. This is basically how the game looks like, guys. You need to harvest your products and then you can make some breads. You can give it to the chicken to get eggs, and you need to complete these orders. Also, there is a friend system in the game. You can go visit your friends, send some gifts to them. They can help you to complete your orders. This is a really cute and nice farming game. You can chat with others, and this is the businessman. I'm asking for help from the Jessica, and I sent just flowers to her, and I loaded. Okay, I'm sending it. These are the rewards you can see. This is a really cute game where you can play and make passive income. Also, you can play this one with friends. I already told you that. I'm really looking forward to the launch because it's gonna be really fun. This is in place. This is a market where we can buy gold coins, materials. There's a turntable. You can come every day and get rewards. I really like that one. And please don't forget to join their Discord for more details. Maybe you can get an activation code to start playing the game. Game will be coming soon, and of course I will share more details about it in the future. We're going to see what's going to happen. I hope you also like the project. You can find more details on their website, the tokens, MMT and MST, the tokenomics. You can buy farmer in app marketplace. You can start play to earn. There's are the tokenomics, the token burning, the game system, the roadmap with all details. Okay guys, it was all about the Meeet, but for now, thanks for watching this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Thank you for your time. See you in new videos.